Okay, they say the best time to go fishing is when you can go. Today is a rainy day, all day long. And I'm here with my buddy, and there's no one here but us. And the rain's not bad. Now the forecast shows for rain all day, 100%. So, on the one hand, it's probably the best day to go fishing because there's nobody else out here. So with that in mind, we're going to try to throw some streamers out here in this mid-February day. Water temperatures are going to be pretty high, and outside temperature's not bad. It's probably in the 30s, and we've got a low pressure system. Hopefully we'll be able to snap a few fish.
In the rain, I'm almost guaranteed to have the river to myself. It's not that cold, and I'm really looking to maybe nail a couple really nice trout on streamers. And here you can see that I'm clearly hooked up on a big one.
Yep, my hands are wet, and it's between the wet cork and the wet line, this big fish just seems to slip right through.
The strategy for this trout and the others was to cast 90 degrees across the river straight as an arrow and let the river bow my line, sweeping it through the river. And about mid-river, that's when they would just launch it.
Big rainbow.
Using a large gapped hook streamer like we were using, once you got the trout's head up, you could just slide it right into the net. And I didn't lose any trout. Once I hook them, they're hooked and they're not getting off.
Steelhead?
Yeah. Looks like they're hungry. This gentleman here caught that fish on his first cast. And he's on again. Nice. Look at that bend in that rod. That's probably another good 16-incher.
Steve's magic technique was the strip back. He caught most, if not all, of his trout just casting out and stripping the river back. Pretty good clip. And they just take it one way or the other. They're going to snap it. A day like this, and rain going around, fish are hungry, they'll take it.
Yeah, that is bigger. Holy crap, that's a really nice trout. That's a nice trout. Nice fish. All right.
Thank you.
Moving 10 minutes down to another river, we were able to start getting them on nymphs. Here, first one we landed on a San Juan worm, about a size 16, and 3 others came from the same angler on a size 18 beadhead
Nice
zebrafish.
fish.
So it's nice to take streamer fishing and nymph fishing, not too far from each other.
female.
How do you know?
Small mouth.
And finally, not to be ignored, was the dry fly fishing. We took trout on the size 22 blue-winged olive. And there we have it, the trifecta of fly fishing, all on a rainy, cold, early spring day, fly fishing with no one around. You couldn't ask for a better day. And if I'm lucky, I'll see you next time on the river.